Hello guys, Steve here, BS Slot Cars, and I got another unboxing here. Let's open this bad boy and see what's inside. Alright. We got bubble wrap. Bubbles, airbags, whatever you call them. We got some kind of note here. We got this thing here with eBay tape on it. They wrapped this really good. Oh, it's a Magnum 440 ×2 from Tyco. There it is. Let's see what the package looks like. Woo, that's old. 1989. Printed in Hong Kong. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, she needs tires, but I knew that. There it is. 83 or Corvette. I was eyeing this up, and then Rich's Slot Car Room, I'm subscribed to. Check his channel out. He shows all his Tycos and some AFXs. He has like a big collection, and he runs them and stuff and tunes them. Check his channel out, Rich's Slot Car Room. He ran this after I was eyeing it up on eBay, and then I seen his video. I was like, dang it. I pulled the trigger and I bought it. It looked so good when he showed it. But check him out. Rich's Slot Car Room. If you want to see a whole bunch of Tycos, he has everything. It's nice. We're going to shine it up too. See. Inside. Looks good. That's a nice vet. Well, if you're new watching, I give my cars a 25 lap test on my poly car track, and we see how fast they go the fastest time. So I'll be doing that with this one also. Let's take a look at the chassis. Tires are hard as rocks. They're all splitting. Look at that. I knew that when I bought it. It's probably just sitting around so long. The front ones are gone. Yep. Need new tires. Actually looks brand new. I don't think it was even hardly used. That's good. What I'm going to do to this one, what I'm going to have to do to this one, I never ran a 440 ×2 on the poly track, so we'll see how this works. I'm going to have to do the shoes with the braid, the guide pin, but now I'm going to oil it up and clean the comm, and then we'll run it on that test track here, and we'll see if it's even working. This one I know I got to switch the rear end around to go the right direction for my track. So what's good about these, you could just switch the rear end. So let's oil this beauty up, and then hit the track over here and see, rev it up, see how it does. Alright, what do we need to do? We need to put a drop right there. We need one right there. One right there. One down in there. This thing probably been sitting for ages. One down in there. One down in there. Oil this gear up a little bit. Oh, sounds like a fast one. Alright, Now, I got this in the Dremel. Let me do this. Shine these screws real quick. That's done. Alright. We got this little thingamajig here to clean the comm. So I'm going to do that really quick by just turning it like this a few times on it. It's hard to do this. I really like putting the car down on something. Alright. Should be good enough to give her a go. Alright. Let's hit the track here. Alright. Ready? Let's see what she does. We got the power over here. Let's see if it's going the right way. Yep. The axle don't look too good. It looks like it's wobbling if you see it. I don't know if it got bent somehow. It's not that bad. There she is. Oh, she's getting faster already. Yep. Let's see if I can floor it. This is 8.4 volts. Oh yeah. These Magnum 440 cars scream. Now, off camera, I'm going to pop the gear out and run it real slow like this. I'll show you right now, and you leave it for like 15 or 20 minutes. Just like that, real slow to break in the brushes to the commutator, and your car will run faster. So I'll do that for like 20 minutes. But I'm not going to do that now. But what I'm going to do is get this body here and polish it up really quick with my amp spray from the last coat. That stuff works like a beauty. It's like at the car wash, yeah. Hard to hold these cars. This stuff's awesome because it don't leave no residues or nothing on the cars. Whoa, almost tipped the camera. I can't do this and look at the camera at the same time. That should be good enough. And then you get the dry part. Just doing this really, really quick. It's basically like using Windex, kind of. It just wipes on and wipes off, but it makes your car shiny as hell. You'll see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That stuff is awesome. I use this on my real Camaro. I actually use the last coat. It's stronger than the amp spray. And then I use the amp afterwards. That's made for a booster. So you could always just put that on every once in a while. But the amp works good on the slot cars. It's cheaper than buying the last coat regular stuff like this. I put the amp stuff in here. This is an old bottle. It's blue, the amp stuff. I think it's like $20 a big bottle. And it works really good. Alright guys, there you have it. Tyco Magnum 440 times 2. It's gonna get the treatment, and in the future you'll see it on the polycar track, 25 laps, and see how fast this baby could go. She's a looker. Again, check out Rich's slot car room if you want to see a whole bunch of Tycos. Later, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Leave a comment if you don't have any questions. It's always good for me and the channel. Definitely leave a like. Helps channel out. And I'll see you next time, guys. See you later. Steve, BS Slot Cars.